Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tone test tape and I'm going to play it for a few seconds in all of these boomboxes. So we can kind of get an idea of like what speed they're all set at and how much wow and flutter you can hear. So this isn't going to be one of those direct line feeds, but anyway, yeah, we'll kind of get the idea of what speed each boombox is set at and how badly the wow and flutter is. So let's begin with this little supersonic. So you can kind of hear on some of them the speed going up and then down on some. I know this one played a little fast. This one and these and the silver one, here it is, pretty much sounded the same in speed. This one, compared to this one, sounded a bit slow. But that's probably more normal anyway. But yeah, sorry if that was a bit annoying and whatnot, but just had that thought and I thought I'd try it. Pretty interesting. All right, later.